Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Hemanta the Social Engineer. Today is World Blood Donor Day. So that I have prepared a presentation on it. Before going to discuss in detail, those who not yet subscribe my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel so that you can get up-to-date information of video series on social science, quizzes, and general knowledge, current affairs, and video series on CTET, OTT, SSTT. So let's discuss in details about the World Blood Donor Day, its significance, its importance, its backgrounds in details. First, World Blood Donor Day, an initiative by World Health Organization (WHO), is observed every year on June 14. This day is celebrated every year to spread awareness about the significance of blood donation and to recognize the contributions of voluntary unpaid blood donors in saving lives. What is the history of Blood Donor Day? Let's discuss. The first World Blood Donor Day was observed by WHO in 2004 and was declared as an annual global event in 58th World Health Assembly in 2005. Next, that is the day is celebrated on the birth anniversary of Austrian biologist and physician Karl Landsteiner because he is considered to be the modern blood transfusion, and so Steiner was awarded the Nobel Prize for his discovery of ABO blood group system. Importance of Blood Donor Day. The aim is to raise global awareness of the need for safe blood and blood products for transfusions and of critical contributions voluntary unpaid blood donors to make national health systems a robust system. Next one, the day also provides an opportunity to call to action to government and national health authorities to provide adequate resources and to put into place systems and infrastructure to increase the collections of blood from voluntary non-remunerated blood donors. According to importance of donating blood. According to WHO, safe blood products and their transfusions are critical aspects of care and public health. They save millions of lives and improve the health and quality of life of many patients every day. The need for blood is universal, but access to blood for all those who need it is not. This year's slogan for Blood Donation Day is Give Blood and Keep the World Beating. The message highlights the essential contributions blood donors make to keep the world pulsating by saving lives and improving world's health. It reinforces the global call for more people all over the world to donate blood regularly and contribute to better health. A special focus of this year's campaign will be the role of young people in ensuring safe blood supply. Next, that is Karl Landsteiner, discoverer of ABO blood group systems. Here is the pictures. Austrian biologist, physicians, immunologist who discovered the ABO blood groups in 1991, developed the systems of classification of blood groups and the factor which enables the transfusions along with Leicester Warriors in 1937, and some information about Karl Landsters. In 1991 began studies of blood antigen, blood transfusions, genetic inheritance of blood, use of blood types in code of law, identified and named the blood group A, B, AB, O in 1909, received Nobel Prize in 1930. Karl Landster's discovery of blood donor. Here is the blood, different groups. A plus can donate to A plus, A B plus can receive from A plus, A minus, O plus, O minus. A minus can donate to A plus, A minus, AB plus, AB minus can receive from A minus, O minus. B plus can donate to B plus plus AB plus can receive from B plus, B minus, O plus, O minus. B minus can donate to B plus, B minus, AB plus, AB minus can receive from B minus, O minus. AB plus is also known as the universal receiver because it can receive from all the groups, and it also can donate blood to only AB plus. AB minus can donate to AB plus and AB minus and can receive blood from A minus, B minus, AB minus, O minus. O plus also, O plus, A plus can donate to A plus, B plus, AB plus, O plus, and O plus plus O minus. O minus universal donors. All the groups O minus. So only O minus can receive from O minus, and it gives or can donate all the groups, which means A plus, A minus, B plus, B minus, AB plus, AB minus, O plus plus, O minus. So this is the detailed information that Carl Landsteiner discovered of ABO blood group systems, and in this main thing is AB plus is known as universal receiver of the blood, and O minus is known as the universal donor of the blood. Some quotes in blood donations. First one, you are not useless. Know your worth by donating blood. You don't have to be a doctor. Save lives, just donate blood. Every blood donor is a lifesaver. Blood has no substitute, only blood can substitute for blood. Here is donate blood. Sometimes money cannot save life, but donated blood can. Here is the ending of this thing, ending of these presentations. Thank you. Blood donations is the reality of humanity. Thank you.